Noah from American Trucks here, and we're taking a closer look at the Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light in red for the 14 to 18 Silverado and Sierra 1500. If you're looking to update the rear end of your Silverado with an LED third brake light, or you're just looking to be as visible as possible when you're braking at night, then this may be perfect for you. This third brake light is designed to give your truck that upgraded LED look you've been craving, and not only that, but provide increased brightness and visibility when braking over the factory halogen third brake light. Another key thing to note about this third brake light is that it has a flashing sequence when you press the brake light as well. That is optional though, and you aren't forced into having a flashing brake light. You can actually choose between having it on or off, which is something I think is a really nice touch. This does have a red lens and a black housing behind it, so you're going to get a close to stock look until that light illuminates, revealing the LED inside. And the last thing to note is that there also is an integrated white cargo light that illuminates your bed when you'd like, which I think is also a really big perk. The housing is manufactured from an OEM grade ABS plastic, and the LEDs inside them are covered by a polycarbonate lens that is weather sealed, so you're protected against any moisture or debris. Now, this guy's also DOT and SAE compliant as well, making it completely legal for use on the street. Coming in right around $100, this third brake light is a great choice if you're hunting for that upgraded look on your Silverado, but not looking to shell out a lot of money. Now, at such a low price, this third brake light is one of the cheapest upgrades you can get for your truck that will still make a very noticeable difference. Installing Raxium's third brake light on your truck is an incredibly simple job that can be accomplished with minimal hand tools and in pretty much no time at all. We're looking at an install difficulty right at 1 out of 3 wrenches and about 15 minutes of your time. Now, without further ado, let's head over to the install bay and get this third brake light installed on our Silverado.
Tools required for this install include a T20 Torx driver. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a third brake light on our Silverado, so let's get started. So to remove our factory third brake light, we have 2 T20 Torx screws. So I've got a T20 Torx driver to remove these. And now with our 2 screws removed, we can just wiggle this out of place. We'll push in the tab on our connector and pop that out. So now we're ready to install our new third brake light. Before we do, we have this switch here. With the switch on the single line, that's gonna be a solid brake light. If you put it on the O, it's gonna be a flashing brake light. So for our purposes, we're gonna be putting it on the line for the solid brake light. And now we'll just plug in our connector and then tuck our switch and our wire. We'll get that in place. And then we can thread in those 2 T20 Torx screws. Then we'll take that T20 Torx driver to tighten those down. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light in red for your 2014 to 18 Silverado and Sierra 1500. Thank you for watching, and for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.